Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about a very important and burning issues, that is hustle culture. Now first let's understand what hustle culture actually means. So सिंपल भाषा में समझा जाए तो हसल कल्चर का मतलब होता है एक ऐसा वर्क एनवायरनमेंट जहाँ पर हम ज़्यादा वर्किंग आवर्स, ओवर अचीवमेंट को प्रेस करते हैं, ऑनर करते हैं, इवन एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ पर्सनल वेलबींग। एंड ये जो हसल कल्चर की बज़ है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में आई थी जब नारायण मूर्ति सर ने, जो इन्फोसिस के फाउंडर हैं, उन्होंने 70 आवर्स वीक का जो वर्किंग वीक कहा गया था, जिससे ये डिबेट आई थी। नाउ आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हसल कल्चर के एथिकल इम्प्लीकेशन पे। So, hustle culture जो है, while often praised for promotion for promoting ambition and hard work, it raises several ethical concerns regarding the well-being, dignity, and fairness in the workplace. So, अगर हम बात करें इसके ethical implication की, तो सबसे पहले ये उस व्यक्ति का जो इतने घंटे आप उससे काम करवा रहे हो, ये उसके एक्सप्लॉइटेशन के बारे में डील करता है। यहाँ पर हम उससे लॉन्ग घंटों तक ऑफिस में, घर पे अगर काम करवा रहे हैं तो हम उसका एक्सप्लॉइटेशन कर रहे हैं। बायजूस के ऊपर ये बहुत बड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म आया था क्योंकि वो अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को 12 से 14 घंटे डेली वर्क करने के लिए, अपने टारगेट्स को मीट करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फोर्स कर रहा था। दूसरा, ग्लोरिफिकेशन ऑफ बर्नआउट। Now, burnout is worn as a badge of honor rather than recognized as a health issue. But burnout is a health issue. मैं अपने भाई को खुद ये हेल्थ इशू फेस करते हुए देखती हूँ। जब वो ऑफिस से आता है, इतना थका हुआ होता है, इतना बर्नआउट होता है कि जस्ट आके वो लेट जाता है। उसकी मेंटल हेल्थ का क्या हो रहा होगा वो हम नहीं समझ सकते, बट एक्चुअली burnout is a very rising problem nowadays. In many startups, employees who work late nights or skip vacation are celebrated, celebrating peer pressure to evaluate such behavior. Number third, neglect of mental health. Please never ever, at any cost, impact or neglect your mental health. Mental health is something is so precious and so equitable to your physical health and your well-being. So, organization fails to provide support for mental health, and there is a survey conducted by the Dotted survey showed that the 80% of Indian Gen Z employees experienced workplace related mental health issue, yet few companies have structured mental wellness programs in it. Number fourth, inequality and discrimination. Women, caregivers, persons with disability may not be able to hustle equally, leading to the discrimination. हो क्या रहा है कि कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड आप देख लीजिए, इवन प्राइवेट सेक्टर भी अगर आप देखते हैं तो women who are rearing their small childs or a person with disability not able to compete such kind of the hustle work, so they are discriminated for that. In technological companies, those who take maternity leave or opt for flexible work are often sidelined during promotion. Number five, violation of autonomy and informed consent. Now, young professionals are not made aware of the long term consequences of the overworking. Interns and freshers in competitive fields like finance, media often face unspoken expectation of 24/7 availability without clarity on a long term risk. Corporate irresponsibility. Organizations benefit from hustle culture but do not take responsibility for the adverse effect. Gig economy platforms like Swiggy, Zomato reward long shift through incentive but do not ensure healthcare or psychological support. So, what are the ethical principles that are being violated under hustle culture? First, they promote utilitarianism. While aiming for higher productivity, it harms majority in the long run. Kantian ethics. Workers are treated as a means to an end, not as an individuals with their dignity. And at the same time, it violates the Article 21, that is right to life and liberty, which include the subpart, that is right to dignity and fairness. Care ethics. There is a lack of compassion and duty of care in the work design. Now, what is the conclusion? While ambition and efforts are valuable, the ethics of hustle culture must be questioned. Institution must shift from glorifying burnout to fostering balance, inclusivity, and human work environments. I hope you like this video. Uh, Till then, we will meet with another topic. Till then, bye bye.